First of all, congratulations, Nadine, on your recent win. How does it feel that you'll be doing another project with Direk Nick?
Of course, very excited. Magsisimula na kami tomorrow actually, and yun, sobrang excited lang kasi ito po talaga yung klase ng projects na gusto kong gawin ever since. So, excited ako kung ano yung mangyayari sa shoot namin and kung paano mag-unfold yung Nocturno as we're shooting. But yeah, there's a bit of pressure, I guess, just because yun nga, parang same, si Direk din katrabaho ko, and last year the leader did so well. So every time someone approaches me na alam na meron ulit kaming project, parang syempre ang ano nila, sobrang ganda ng Deleter, so excited kami para mapanood yung Nocturno for this year. So medyo may konting pressure, but I'm very I'm very confident.
Thanks.
I'm sure you share the same sentiment with Direk Mikhail regarding this film. How did you exactly feel when this was pitched to you? When this project was pitched to you?
Actually, hindi na po ako nagdalawang isip. Because like what I said earlier, this is really the kind of projects that I've been wanting to do. And I'm a huge horror fan. I love watching horror films. And of course, si Direk Mick naman yun. And I really love working with his whole team. So, di na po nagdalawang isip. I said yes right away.
Alright, thanks.
So, I remember dati sa Deleter, parang ang discover mo about doing horror is that it's actually more physically taxing than drama. And yung challenge mo rin doon kasi parang mag-isa ka lang, wala ka masyadong kabatuhan ng lines or energy. So, having already known that, paano yung sa tingin mo yung magiging approach mo naman dito sa Nocturno?
Definitely will try to change my character. Just because ako po kasi gusto kong pinapalitan yung nilalagyan ko nga minsan ng zodiac sign yung character para lang maiba yung ugali nila. I think that's one of the things that I really look forward to the most is yung kung paano ko pag-iibahin yung mga characters na ginagawa ko. I'm not really sure how, I mean, I'm already expecting that this is going to be taxing kasi especially sa mga scenes na medyo sa climax na tapos marami nang nangyayari. Obviously, physically and emotionally and a bit mentally, it will be taxing. And I am looking forward to that, to be honest. Pero ako dun talaga, gusto kong makita kung paano mag-unfold yung Nocturno. Kasi wala po talaga akong expectations. I mean, I've read the script. I know how the work is going to be like. Pero as much as possible, gusto ko yung surprise pa rin siya sa akin pagdating ko sa set. Ayun, marami daw rain effect sa amin ni Direk. So, that's definitely different from Deleter. Pero yun po.
Pero sa tingin mo medyo, I think, mas easier in some way kasi ngayon meron ka ng mga kabatuhan, yes?
I guess so. Pero tignan natin kung kasi syempre si Direk gusto rin niyang may mga itutuwik siya, may mga babaguhin sa eksena. So, tignan natin sa set kung anong level ng emotions yung gusto niyang makita. Kasi ako din naman, game din naman po ako for a challenge. So, we'll see.
And lastly, another Best Actress Award. So, does it still excite you? Or you're getting used to it na? Ano bang feeling mo when you get recognized?
Of course, lagi naman po akong ma-excite. I mean, kaya nga po gusto kong gumawa ng iba't ibang projects para iba-iba din yung experience na nakukuha ko. But ako naman kasi gusto ko po talaga yung gusto ko yung naging instrument ako in creating stories. So, yun po. Na-excite ako. I mean, that's never going to change.
No pressure na. Does it pressure you?
I guess may konting pressure just because nga of the leader. Pero konti lang, more excited than pressure.
Thanks.
Thank you.